Hello Foolish Mortals, Kat here. So today, since I'm already ready, I was doing a vlog going out, I figured that I would give you guys a tour of this wall, this gallery wall that so many people have been talking about. And a few of you think that it has been my bedroom. It was never my bedroom. When it was at the old house, it was my office, so like filming studio, computer room kind of thing. Half of it was this, and the other half was like my super crazy pastel Zoom and Disney wall. And it was just because the rest of the house was being remodeled, so I had to put both in the same place. But now I just have this out in the dining room. So we're actually in the dining room. You can see my disgusting dining table covered in junk back here. But yeah, so I decided to give you a tour because so many of you have been asking where I got everything that's on the wall. And yeah, so let's get started. All right, so let's start with the furniture. This is a chair that goes with my desk. The chair and the desk are not antique. They were like, you know, just made to look antique, but they were an ugly, like kind of brown color that was uglier than that. I love this color. So I painted them white and gold, and I reupholstered the chair with houndstooth and gold, black. It's beautiful because I love houndstooth. This is from Mexico, but then I think originally from Spain. I have to repair the leg down here. I got it for a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace, so check that out if you want to get really nice antique furniture for cheap. I just need to repair it. I'm using it as my vanity right now, so I've got all my makeup in it, and I use this chair whenever I'm sitting doing stuff. And then over here we have like a little cauldron that has some lights, some really cool bat lights, and a really cool Batmobile that my mom bought me that used to be outside the house. Gotta hang that up still, but for now it's just sitting there. And then I have these two, I don't know, canvases that I'm going to use to make some tarot card kind of like wall art soon. I might do a video on it. We've had this forever. It's from Pier 1. I just really like it. I have this thing about pirates, and even though it has nothing to do with the ocean because it's literally for outer space, I still, whatever, it reminds me of pirates. So I wanted it, and we've been dragging it around forever. So on this wall, these are from the Tucson Gem and Mineral Show. It's a big, like, citywide fair where people from all over the world come and sell their local gems, crystals, minerals, and other goods, like home goods like this and stuff. So I really like the different, like, Middle Eastern and Indian and, like, Moroccan style shops that are there. And I got these a long time ago. I think we were still in high school when I bought these. And they're kind of broken. This one's broken, so I used some museum wax to hold it together. And they're held on with museum wax. So they're like super sturdy if there's an earthquake gonna happen. This shelf is from Goodwill. Most of my shelves are from Goodwill. Actually, pretty much a lot of stuff on here is from Goodwill. This is from Icing, which is like the older version of Claire's. I love this so much. I've broken it twice now, so this is my third one. It is like museum puttied on there, so it won't fall or anything, but yeah, I have broken that twice before and made Dean go and get it as I sobbed at home. And this is like a really cool bell I have. I don't even know where I got this, but I love it. And it's really tarnished. I need to polish it. This is from Fiendies, and it was the Midsummer Scream exclusive, I think, but they are no longer making Ouija boards. So sad day. They were my favorite Ouija board company, but whatever. Just your basic incense stick burner. Everybody has that one. Some crystals from the Gem and Mineral Show. These are obviously artificially like dyed to look like that, but I like the bright colors. I don't remember where this is from. Nope, I can't remember. I know it was really, really cheap though. And my chocolate frog box got smushed in the move, so I'm gonna have to go get another one. And this cauldron is from Daiso. It's actually like an incense burner. So I'm gonna put some like sand in there and then have some incense sticking out eventually. And I think this is from a locker. We used to do storage lockers. We'd buy them on auction and then go through them and sell what we could on eBay and locally, and it was really fun. But we found a bunch of weird stuff in there. This one I think is also, it's Avon though. It's an old like Avon thing. This was from Target 2 years ago. This is also from a locker. And this is from At Home, which I've mentioned them before. I get a lot of really cool stuff every Halloween from them. They were in my last Code Orange video. Then this is from Pottery Barn like 4 or 5 years ago. My cats are fighting. You're gonna hear squawking in the background now because that's what they do when they fight. These two mirror frame things are from Joann's, I think. The key was a gift from my mom. It's a bottle opener. And this one was from Target 2 years ago. This is from Memento Mori Goods, which I wanted one so bad, and then I ran into them at a Halloween show, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna buy this. This is actually gonna go outside our house, but for right now I'm keeping it inside. And I don't remember where these moons are, but I'm gonna guess from Home Goods because they just seem like the kind of lights that Home Goods carries. And then some plants from At Home and Joann's. And up here, pretty much everything's from Target. Like these are like the box pumpkins you can get that are like just plastic, styrofoamy. And these are actually like cast. They're pretty heavy, from the $3, $1 section. I didn't see any this year, but they've had them for the last like 4 years. Then over here, these horns are from the Gem and Mineral show. This is from the Renaissance Festival, probably Goodwill, Target. I don't know where I got this wand, probably the Renaissance Festival. And this is just an old bottle that we had that we filled with incense. And then I think Dean ordered this off Amazon. It's an incense burner, and we have like the raw incense to burn in there too. And all the hooks that you've seen everything hanging on, those are also from Amazon. And they're super cheap on there, so I really love them. Big boy. Hey, what's wrong? You mad I was out all day? Yeah. Yeah, say hi to everyone. Hello, my name is Mao. Chocolate. Okay, so back to this. This is from At Home. This was a frame from Michael's, I think, and then I printed this out, this like old black and white picture. I printed it out and put it in there. This is from Goodwill. This is a candle holder, but I don't have a candle in it. I usually keep, there's a Lotus glow cube from Disneyland during the Lunar New Year that they always have that I usually put on there. I think it's really cute. And then this is from Goodwill. I've had it for years, and Dean is so pissed because I've never like taken off the Goodwill sticker. It just left it like this. And it's kind of just like a thing at this point that I refuse to get rid of it until he gets rid of it. So yeah, it's gonna stay like that. But it holds tea lights, so it's super, super cute. This is like one of my favorite things. I think maybe I'll like paint it a better color one day because it's like really shitty plastic and it's like super bad shiny paint. But I think if I put a better gold on it, it would look nicer. And then this is one of my favorite Goodwill finds ever. It is supposed to be a tea light holder hanging lamp, and they did have ones similar to this at Target last year, but I did not see them. But they weren't hanging ones, they were just like ones that sit on here and then had fake tea lights in them. But it didn't have the base. It was a Goodwill. Oh, it still has a sticker on it. Look it. And that was a 50% off day too, so I only got this for $1. But it's like my favorite thing ever. I just love it so, so much. And then on here, I have, this is, whoa, I think this is from Tuesday morning. Possibly, nope, it's from Ross. Okay, I hardly ever buy things from Ross, but this is from Ross, and I just really, really like it, but I haven't done anything with it yet. This is from Papyrus. This is from Disneyland, and it has my tarot cards in it. Well, three of my tarot card decks are in there. And then I cannot remember where I got this. I'm assuming Target. It's usually where I get everything. This is a artist that I really liked, and they were being sold at Fickle Wish booth, PMX, a couple years ago. So I bought it, and this is a really cool crow that actually usually is on the wall, and it's like hangs on the wall. And it's from an artist in Portland that my mom bought for Dean, and I just love it so much, so I keep it on my wall. This is from At Home. This is an old Jim Beam bottle, and this, I don't remember where I bought it, but they sell them everywhere. Like everywhere I go, I see those, so you'll find it. And then this is also from At Home. This is one of my tarot decks, the Marigold Tarot. And then this is from Papyrus as well. And it's really cute. I love it so much. So yeah, that's everything on my wall. Here's a once over. Here's my dirty other side of it. You can see I'm folding laundry. I've got some cups, some power tools sitting out, a cat. Hello, cat. But yeah, this is my wall. And it's not done yet, but it's not going to stay here anyways because we're actually ripping out this wall so that the kitchen will be open to the dining room. But for now, I figured I'd have a nice place to film. So that's it. So This video probably wasn't useful at all for those of you wanting to know where to get this stuff, because a lot of this stuff is from years and years past, but at least now you know what stores to check out. Pottery Barn's always great, At Home's great, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Target has some good stuff. Michael's and Joann's have had some pretty good stuff this year too, but yeah, you just gotta kind of build up and collect over the years. And I always wait till like 2 days or 3 days before Halloween and I go get stuff then, because if you wait till after Halloween, it's usually gone. It's gone. Like the morning of, people wait in line and just go get stuff. So like do it the week before Halloween, go and get the things. The discounts are still pretty good and you'll get some nice things. So yeah, I will see you later. Don't forget to stay spooky. Bye.